Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nelly. If you're new here, I make content around travel, beauty, lifestyle, hair, everything in between. So if this is your cup of tea, please stick around, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. I do have a luxury unboxing from a French house at the end of the video, so please stick around for that. Before we get there, I just wanted to say that I love Paris. Okay, it's almost an obsession. It's on my bucket list, of course, and if hindsight is 2020, because if I knew that things would change in 2020 and traveling the world wouldn't be as, you know, snap of a finger, I would have definitely gone to Paris earlier. It would have been one of my very first trips, and then everything else would have come second, but it's still on my bucket list. I still will go to Paris one of these fine days. From my mouth to God's ears, we are manifesting that. And so yeah, Paris has always been on my bucket list. France in general, I love French wine, I love French pastry, I just love the streets. I think whoever has done the PR for Paris, France, has done an amazing job because I am sold. And the Parisian women, I mean, they're so chic. There's a way they dress that's just so elegant, sophisticated without seeming like they try too hard, you know. It's so effortless for them. They just ooze sophistication with their messy hair and their red lipstick. Hello. I'm wearing Ruby Woo, by the way. So I just find that the, you know, Parisian chic is actually a thing with their ballet flats and jeans. They're so effortlessly fabulous, and I just try to emulate them even in my style, just simple sophistication. Yeah, so this video is a little bit different. We're just chatting and talking as girls about everything Parisian and everything French that I like. So to start us off, there is some content I've been consuming over at Showmax. If you don't know who Showmax is, they are an online subscription TV on demand service. I've spoken about Showmax before. I mean, they're really value for money. Showmax Entertainment is the best bet when it comes to entertainment all around. There's series, there's movies, there's TV, there's kids shows. They now have sports via Showmax Pro. They have live sports, so you have your UEFA, your Premier League, the Tour de France is happening now. There's boxing, there's golf, there's tennis, there's also live news. They have documentaries. I'm telling you, it's value for money. So you subscribe by paying 2,100 bob for the upgrade. That's the top-notch Showmax. That's 2,100 bob per month, and you get to enjoy premium TV, premium entertainment at its finest. So I've been consuming some Parisian content over at Showmax. The first show I've been binging on is, I want to say it's like a young, the demographic is very young, but I don't mind. My spirit is young, okay? It's called Find Me in Paris. It's a series about a princess who dances ballet in France, and it's in 1905. So she's a ballet dancer, professional, top of her class dancer over in Paris in 1905, and then she time travels, okay? Fast forward to 2018. I mean, 10, fill in the rest. And she has, of course, a boyfriend back in 1905, and he gets stuck in 1905, and she's in 2018. They find a way to communicate. It's just a cute story, okay? And I'm all for cute stories, especially when it involves love in Paris, okay? I just dream of going to Paris and being rained on, and me and my lover just looking over at the Eiffel Tower, and then, you know, just waking up the next day and, I don't know, going to see the Mona Lisa, because, you know, that's where she is, okay? I'm obsessed, and as I said, whoever did the PR for Paris, I'm sold. The second one is a bit more serious. This is a 6-part drama based off of the novel Les Miserables. So there's a 6-part drama series over at Showmax. I'm on episode 3. I mean, it's a beautiful story based on love and hope. It's based off of the novel Les Miserables, and there's also a musical. I'd love to watch the musical. Yeah, that's what I'm indulging in right now. That's that for content I'm watching. I also decided for the month of September, I'm going to learn the language. I mean, if I'm going to go to France, I might as well learn French. So I know all the, you know, the cliche words like joie de vivre, faux pas, you know, those ones I know. But I really want to know more French words to help me, you know, when I go there, walk around and talk to the locals, ask for direction, order something, order a coffee when I go to one of the cafes, you know. I want to be able to understand when someone speaks to me, you know, just the basics. And it's important to learn from a French teacher. So I've been learning from Skillshare. For my new subscribers who don't know about Skillshare, let me tell you about it. It is an online learning community where millions have come together to take the next step in their creative journey. There are thousands of inspiring classes on the platform, and it's for creative and curious people alike, and the topics are vast. I'm talking illustration, photography, freelancing, animation, web design, as well as languages. So I have taken up French. My teacher, her name is Cleo, is French, and she's been teaching me everything from counting to the alphabets to pronunciation. Have a listen.
Two different sounds. The first sound that you can hear is K, and you only find it in front of the letters A, O, and U. Like un canard, a duck, un collier, a necklace, une excuse, an excuse. And it's very important to remember those three letters together because that rule of A, O, U comes back later on with other letters. It's always them three, and then for the sound sir, we're going to see now.
And for anyone looking to spend their time wisely, unlock a passion, build that side hustle, and even learn new professional skills, for a limited time only, I'm going to leave a link in my description box for you to get membership to try Skillshare Premium. So click on the link in my description box. I don't know if you want me to count 1 to 10. You want me to count 1 to 10? I can. My pronunciation, we're still working on that, but I can. So let me start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and finally this. I'm so excited, guys. I don't know if you can tell. I really am enjoying challenging myself. Thank you so much to Skillshare for sponsoring this video and allowing all of us to just build ourselves creatively, just invest in ourselves by learning all these amazing things, by exposing us to all these amazing teachers and just helping us spend our time wisely. Cool. So on to the unboxings, and I will start with a fragrance. This is the Tuiles d'Hermès Eau Provée. It looks just like that, and this is from Hermès, which is a French luxury fashion house. I've loved this scent from the moment I got it. So about a year ago, I got the mini Hermès scents in a pack, and from there I fell in love with this one and Jour d'Hermès, the one I tell you I like to wear when I'm going for polo or I'm going to do any horse stuff, any equestrian stuff. I just feel like it smells so polo-esque. So Jour d'Hermès, I got the big bottle. I've been enjoying that, and I've used a good portion of it. But I also fell in love with Tuiles d'Hermès, and I have the baby one. Let me just show you. This is the really tiny one that I've had, and I've been really using this sparingly, although I love this scent. And when I saw this big one advertised on the Sierra Perfumes page, I jumped. I literally just jumped because every time they post it, it gets sold out so quickly. So let's see how the big one looks like. I really love the fragrance. It is definitely a very youthful, you know what it smells like? It smells like Angel lately. Angel, this is how you smell. Whenever I meet you, this is how you smell. Yeah, so I was saying it smells like, it is definitely a floral scent, but it's very fresh floral. But there's some spiciness. There's some sandalwood. There's some woodiness, sandalwood. There's some spiciness there. I love it. It's very young, but not young like naive. Young like carefree. There's a carefreeness to this that's French. Okay, there's a French carefreeness. So imagine me in the Parisian streets, with like fresh flowers that I've just bought, a bunch of, let's say, lilies that I've just got from the florist at the corner, whose store was owned by his father and his grandfather and his great-grandfather, and you know what I mean. And I'm also carrying fresh baguette because of course the bakeries have just opened and the air is filled with like all this smell of butter and flour and all that. So I'm just carrying my flowers and my baguette, and I have this little bike, and I just put them in my basket and just ride back to my little house. This is what I'll be wearing. Okay, it's just carefree, just living carefree with just joy and joie de vivre. This is joie de vivre. This is just amazing. I love it so much. It smells like happiness. So this is one that I've been loving. I love the top hat on it. The fragrance looks like a gentleman with a bowler hat and a little like bow tie. I just have to mention that my little spaghetti, which was gifted to me, looks exactly like the little twilly on the twilly. Oh my god, I don't know if this can come out, can it? I'm sure it can it? Can it come out? I'm sure it can. It can, it's just, it's been stitched on here. Oh my god, so I'll have two. So I'll be wearing this and another one. I'll be layering my spaghettis. Oh my god. All Hermes fragrances should come with a spaghetti, because otherwise I'll get all of them for the spaghetti, not even for the fragrance. But this is a cutie pie. I really love it. I think the bottle is absolutely cute. Look at that. It's too cute. The next item came in yesterday afternoon, and I have been holding myself, telling myself you cannot open this package until you film this video. And so we are both going to open this together. I've already torn off the box, and it is something from Louis Vuitton. Louis Vuitton is also a high fashion French brand, one that you guys know I love so much because of the value. Louis Vuitton holds its value, guys. If not for anything else, you can sell it and make back whatever you spent. That's one of my plus. Ooh, smells good. That's one of the perks of buying brands like Louis Vuitton, Chanel, Hermes. They really hold their value. Oh my god, what fragrance is this? Now I'm going to be on the search. No, it's not this. Anyway, it came with a bag. So usually when you order stuff online, it will come with it will come with a little bag like so. And I've come to love this bag so much. And it came, this is the box. I don't know if you can guess what it is. And it came with some paperwork. So let's see what's this one. This is actually nothing. I think it's just a complimentary slip. That's nothing. The second one then will be my invoice. This paper is textured, feels really nice. And this just has, yeah, it has my receipt. From my receipt you will see what it is. There it is. This is a bandeau. It has the name of the person who sold the stuff to you and all that good stuff. And there's also a thank you note from them. And there's also a bit of care, you know, guidelines. So product care guidelines. They're telling you, please prevent any contact with oil or alcohol-based substances, cosmetics, perfume, that kind of stuff. Just to, you know, for you to enjoy your... purchase. So, drum roll, what did I get? If you looked at the receipt, it is a bandeau. So I'll just remove this. This is normally a card for you. If this is a gift, you just, if there's a card in here, an envelope. So take the ribbon out. It smells so good. What is this? Oh my god. So dun, 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 dun. There we go. Let's just open this. This is the tribute to bandeau. just turn it around. This is a bandeau. This is just a long scarf, and you can style this many ways. I'll be sure to do a video on that. And it's really long, so it's very, very long. On one side it has all the iconic Louis Vuitton bags. It's really long. And then on the other side, so you can wear it both ways, either the bags with the bags printed, or the other side which just has this iconic Louis Vuitton straps as well. So iconic bags on one side, iconic straps on the other side. It just has very minimal, I don't know if you can see, writing. So if I wore this like so, unless you looked really close, you wouldn't know what this is. I like that. And it's brown. I mean, it's Louis Vuitton brown. Oh my god, she's so beautiful. She's so soft. She feels so soft. I love, love, love her. Oh my god. I'd been thinking of buying this pre-loved, but the prices are so high that just buy it brand new. I mean, the prices are so high for this thing when it's second hand, so just better get it brand new. There we go. It's 100% silk, dry clean only. Gorgeous. But this is so pretty, and I can't get over the smell. Oh, there's also a little tag thing. I don't know what this is for. There's a little tag thing there. So I like to keep all this stuff in the box, so when it's time to sell, I know where everything is. What is this smell? This is so good. So anyway, that is the end of my little video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I will catch you on my next one. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Please leave a comment if you liked it. Please share if you liked it. I'll see you in my next one. Love and light. Peace.